What's going on, Brian? What's going on? Research files. I don't think I've ever seen you before. How y'all doing? It's good. Good. Is that a thunderstorm in the background? Heavy brainstorming, bro. That's what it is. My brain's going crazy. Nah. Yeah, it's just some rain and some thunder. I usually have that playing if I'm not like listening to any type of podcast or something. What's up, Carl? How you doing, bro? How y'all doing? This week's kind of been like ah, choppy a little bit, I guess. So we got into buys here, and price was just choppy, and then I didn't want to get swapped twice. I already said that I didn't want to get swapped once, so we took a swap. It is what it is, and then I kind of like just got out, and then last night it pushed up. So that Asian session ambulance. Yeah, it's kind of like just soothing. I don't know how to explain it, but I've always just liked thunderstorm, rain in the background. If not, like listening to music or something. But kind of tired of music right now. So yeah, we got out of the buys around in this area, and then last night it was pushing up. And I was like, bro, I knew it was gonna go to that. So the plan was to get into buys to here, have TP set, and they were set, and they would have hit yesterday or this morning or whatever. And then we're gonna turn around and we're gonna sell it. So we're in the sales right now. Where are we going? Down here. 144. I truly, honestly, I feel like we can go a lot lower. Perfect rejection. So we had the CPI this morning, whatever type of news came up. We got in probably in this area, I believe, or a little bit above. I need to redo this Fibonacci because it doesn't look right on. Oh no, it looks right. Hold on, just barely off a little bit. See, method to the madness. Take this way, only that one. Take that away. And we'll take this way. Dang, bro, we were selling this up here. Beautiful. Anyway. Okay, back to 4. Okay, yeah. So I guess I waited a little bit past the Fibonacci to enter. We're in drawdown like pretty much all morning, and then I went to sleep. I was like, I already know like we're gonna retrace. It's just that CPI news, like it even spiked down as soon as news came out. I believe I was looking at the 15-minute, yeah. So I think we got in like right here at this blue line. and then we went into drawdown, and then news came out, and it literally just came all the way down here, and then it retraced all the way back. I was like, all right, well, it is what it is. Went to sleep, and then I woke up, and price was in this general area, or maybe even around here, and I just closed out. It was right before market closure at 4, so I didn't want to take swaps again, so closed out, waited till after 4. I literally waited till 5:01, 5:02 when spreads got back down to normal, entered again. So right now we're in sells for UJ, and just gonna wait, be patient, sit back, relax, not worry about anything, because there's nothing to worry about. That's like, at the end of the day, that's just what it is. Like, I don't care if it goes up or down. We're prepared for either one, either or. Obviously, you don't want to lose, of course, but I don't think this is a losing trade. Just like when we got into buys here, there was a lot of, I don't know, I don't want to say there was a lot of commotion, but there was commotion. People were getting feeling some type of way, whatever. Truly, and that's literally what separates the winners from the losers. It's like, you have to be able to manage your feelings. If you can't manage your feelings, you cannot trade. It's just not for you. Like, it's just not. Especially when you're not even the one trading. It's different when you're the one pulling the trigger, but when you're having someone else pull the trigger, and then you're having emotion from that other person pulling the trigger for you, I don't know. It's a situation that just you really just have to like work on your emotions. Truly. It's working. Like, I do this on a day-to-day basis. It's not like I'm some type of expert. I have to listen to audios every single day. That's what my regimen is. So then I could be, when I go into the market, there's nothing that's going to faze me. I don't care about CPI. I don't care about NFP. I don't care about any type of news. I don't care about nothing. I'm getting to a trade setup because of what the chart is showing me. That's it. There's no other factor. I don't care about fair market value gap, whatever. Like, bro, Fibonacci, or not what is that called, harmonic pattern. I don't care about none of that. I don't care about any butterflies on my screen or bats on my screen. I don't care about none of that. Like, don't send me that. Like, I don't know what to tell you. All I look at is the screen, the chart, and that's it. Like, that's it. That's literally it. I don't care about none of that other stuff. I don't care about it. It's gonna factor in. It's gonna factor into the chart by itself. But I know that you guys, I haven't really been teaching you. I know, I'm sorry for that. But if y'all are available this weekend, we should start getting into that, alright? So then y'all should, y'all can really just dissect the chart the way that I see a chart, and then boom, we'll all be on the same page. But yeah. Anyway, back to UJ. I really think it's gonna just continue to fall. Very bearish, very bearish. There's no sign of bullishness coming from this chart, so especially with this heavy rejection that we had. Oh my goodness, like, it just wants to fall, but it's gonna play around for a little bit, and that's fine. It's fine. Let it do what it wants to do. See, look at gold. I bought gold this morning. Boom. See, this chart looks a little bit different from my chart on my phone. Because I don't know if, like, I definitely wouldn't have took the buy if I was looking at this chart. Hold on, let me look at my chart real quick. Like literally only get on this. I only get on the laptop to talk to y'all. I'm never really on the laptop, and a lot of people say, "Well, you should trade on your laptop, not on your phone." So trading on my phone works for me, and everyone's different. So whatever works for you, that's what you should really lean towards and double down on. Don't listen to all those other people telling you what you can and cannot do. Because then when you prove them wrong, then what? They don't say congratulations. They don't tell you good job. Guess what they tell you? You got lucky. I've been getting lucky for a long time, brother. Okay, let me see. Gold, gold, gold. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So now we were below 23.6. I mean 26.18. So yeah, I mean I don't even have Fibonacci drawn up on this, but 26.18 is at this level here. So we were below it, but we were having so much hesitation at the support. So I had a support line here. We're having so much hesitation to support. I just bought it. I bought it. Price went up. I had a TP like seriously like right here at the high. I wasn't planning on going for a long distance. I was just trying to get that high in. And it hit the high, and now we're above the high. So that was with gold. And we're gonna be starting to trade gold once we get into that like $3,000, $4,000 mark, because gold can really make or break you if you have a smaller account, which right now we all do. Euro USD. Ready for it to come down at least to 107.284. Look at that hit resistance. Yeah, I have it way down here at 105, which is definitely possible, but 107.284. Ideally, that's where I want price to go. I'm in a sell right now at 1.08267, and this one's a little bit risky, which is why no one else is in it. I didn't put anyone in it other than I think one person, but fuck, that killed the account. Liquidation, bro. So let me see, 108.602. So yeah, I'm a little bit in drawdown right now, $22,000. But it was better. It's better than what it was earlier, which is good. Earlier it was like I think at 40K, 108.602. I'll just put that. So that's my entry. And then that CPI, whatever this is, it did that. It's cool, but it rejected off that resistance, which is what I wanted. And then even on my chart too, I have a trend line that goes from here to here. It's like somewhere in this area. So it rejected completely off of that. So yeah, and then I have my TP here. I can't extend this. But yeah, anyway, that is Euro. If you want to take the sell, you can. I would get in a small trade if you're gonna do it. I'm not gonna be executing this trade on anyone's account. just because we're already in UJ, and I don't want to be going. Like, we have enough room for drawdown if we go into drawdown for UJ. Yeah, so right now I think we are actually in drawdown. So yeah, we're in drawdown $21 with two. Well, this one account has 0.2, have 2 trades rolling with it. So then everyone should be down $7, except for the commitment group. Should be down like 35. But anyway, that's pretty much everything I have to say about the charts. How's y'all's day going? How's y'all's week going? What do you think about the market so far? We're on what, Wednesday? How do y'all analyze? What do y'all see right now? What trades are you currently in? Talk to me. I want to pick y'all's brain. See what y'all see. See what y'all are trading. How do you feel about trading in general? Okay, so something with my comments, I guess. Let me see. Appreciate you, bro. Let me see what's going on over here. I don't know why it's taking forever to reload. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, I'm way behind. Okay. Resistance at 2925 broke. Okay, I'm way behind. My bad. I remember you said about looking at a chart of our own. I was thinking AUD USD. I think that's alright to trade. I'd have to look at the chart. So I'll look at the chart and see for that, for AUD USD. I'm not sure. At what point is this setup, would you say F it and close for UJ? I never feel like that. I don't know. I'm just so confident in the body of like what I'm trying. I'm just confident in every trade I make. Like that's the key to trading is like there's no point of pressing buy or sell if you're not confident in it. And I'm just so confident that it's gonna go my way that I don't think there ever is a point where I'm just like F it, you know? I put in too much work to say that. Like, I wouldn't be taking the trade if I even felt any type of hesitation or any type of like scared. Like I'm not scared of. I don't have any fear about that. It's not gonna go my way. It's just about when. It's not about if. It's about when. So there's no point for me, at least. You're at $700. Missed loads of trades. Wasn't profit 500. Let to draw down. First time loss got hit. And this gold bouncing off to 18. Yeah. Bro, I don't even trust my chat right now. Hold on. Let me pull it up on my phone, please. Okay, can y'all? Well, it only says that there's two people in here. Can y'all just type something real quick so I can see if it pops up? I guess I gotta turn off my rain. Okay, yeah. I see you, bro. Okay, it's working, it's working. Cool. But yeah, um, yeah, I truly just feel like, bro, like when the market opened, we didn't even take a trade. You know, I mean, yeah, the account management, like I'm just doing that on the side. It's small trades. It is what it is. But for us, we didn't even take the trade when price was here, because I had drew it out. I was like, you know what? I think price is gonna come back up here, and then we're gonna move down. So we already did the first leg of it. Now the second leg is coming. So I think that's also like just like another major key when it comes to trading is like just be confident in everything that you do. Just do it. Like don't take stupid trades and just be 100% confident. Like oh, I'm just waiting for price to catch up. You know, that's it. I'm down 700 with my other account being blown. Hey, and that's fine, you know. That's fine. It's fine to be down. It's fine to blow accounts. It's all a learning lesson. You can't live in the mindset of being scared or in scarcity because then you'll never achieve what you want to achieve. If you're scared of losing $1,000, you're not gonna make 10,000. If you're scared of losing 10, you're not gonna make 100. If you're scared of losing 100, you're not gonna make 1,000,000. It just all comes down to that. Like, you cannot be scared. This is a difficult game that we're playing, and if you want to be great at it, you cannot be scared. You have to leave your feelings at the door. You have to. So the moment you let feelings creep in, now your emotions are taking over your mind. I do not let my emotions take over my mind. I control my emotions. I control everything. My mind controls everything. So if I'm able to control everything, then I'm able to visualize and attract every single profit that comes to me, all the money that I'm attracting. I'm just in that I'm in that state 24/7. I'm just in the state of attraction. I'm in a state of being positive. I'm in a state of not being scared, like not worried, bro. Like I don't look at these charts. I just have an alert set, and then that's it. Like I let price do what it wants to do, because that's what price is gonna do anyway. Whether I'm looking at it or whether I'm not, price is gonna do what it wants to do. So the quicker you get to that point of just like, you know what, I'm not gonna be staring at this chart for the next 10 minutes or 30 minutes or every single hour on that. Like, there's no point. Price is gonna do whatever it wants. You're investing money to create more money. So while that's doing that, you should go and make money yourself as well. You should not just be relying on one thing. That's how people start getting worried about finances and being that scarcity mindset. You have to go and create more incomes. So you're not worried about just one. You're not checking your phone every single hour. Trust me, I've been there. That's why I'm telling you this. I know that there's probably people right now that are doing that because I was doing that. I was doing that 6 years ago, bro. It's just like it's a waste of time. Price is gonna do what it wants to do. So, what do you use for alerts? I use TradingView. TradingView, and honestly, all I need is one alert. I don't even pay for it, bro. I don't even pay for it. Like people are like, "Oh, I pay for the service. I have 4 screens up on my screen." Who cares? That's just more anxiety you're putting on yourself. Like, bro, you don't need 4 screens. You don't need 8 screens. You don't need all this. I have a laptop and I have a phone. Guess what? I trade on my phone. Oh, that's not professional. Brother, I don't need you to tell me if it's professional or not. It works for me. Whatever works for you, do it. But avoid having your feelings so invested in what you're doing. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's just like it shows where you are. Literally, it just shows where you are in your career. So if you want to keep elevating, read books how to control your emotions. Watch videos how to control your emotions. Listen to podcasts how to control your emotions. Like there's things that you could do to work on everything that you have a problem with that will enhance and level you up a lot faster and put you in the position that you want to be, reach your goals faster than you ever wanted to achieve them. But you have to do that little petty work. You have to. You have to. I try to trade on Trade Locker, but it notifies me. Wait, what? I tried on Trade Locker, but it never notifies me if my phone is closed. Yeah, no, bro. TradingView is always the way. I have the TradingView app, and then I also use the Safari. Download the TradingView app on your phone. You're able to put one alert, right? And if you want to put more than one alert, then you have to buy the whatever. I've been using one alert for 5 years. I did give in the first 2 or 3 years of buying TradingView, and I thought, oh, these guys, they don't know. Like, you have to buy TradingView, and that's how you get to the next level. No, wrong. Don't waste your money on trading. You need to make the money from trading, not waste the money on trading. I have 4 other incomes, but need money to make money. Exactly. You need money to make money, so go make money and throw it back into your trading account. Who cares? Like, I know a lot of people are scared to lose money. Don't be scared, because if you're scared to lose money, then I promise you you're scared to make money. And you might be like, no, that's not true. I promise you that's the case. I promise you. I swear to you. Because I used to be scared of losing money. And guess what? I never made money. And I wondered why. It's because I was scared of losing money. So in turn, I was scared of making money. Don't be scared anymore. Drop all that shit off. Let someone else pick that up. Because that is heavy luggage that you should not carry. Drop that off, bro. Drop that off to the beginner that's just starting trading. Drop that off. You move on. Don't be scared to lose. Because guess what? This is part of the game. This is a trading game. There is losing and there is winning. You can't go into a football game expecting to win every single time, and then when you lose, you give up. Like, bro, we just started. This is the first game of the season. What are you doing? I quit. Why? I can't handle it. Stop that, bro. Stop that. It's game time. It's our time. It's show time. Let's go. Don't be scared to lose. It's fine. It is part of the game. So why are you trying to avoid something that's part of it? Oh my god. This girl's going crazy. Hold on. I'll call you back. I'll send you the address.
Okay.
Alright. Hold on, guys. Real quick. Let's see. TradingView let me put multiple alerts. Yeah, I think it does that like for a trial or something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm 0.2 times 5, and that's a good opportunity. Yep. Quarn. What? What is that? Quarn, Mr. Lady Killer. What's that, bro? I have never heard of that. But yeah. Um. Yeah. Look, if you train whatever lot size that you're comfortable with at the end of the day, like if you're okay with being in drawdown, like you have a $5,000 account and you're okay with being in drawdown $3,000, use whatever lot size you want. You know, use whatever lot size you want, because I promise you, whenever you go into profit, that $3,000 blue is gonna look nice. It's gonna look real nice. I've had a lot of screenshots of that. Like my account is margin, like everything is red, and then 5 hours later, all blue. But it's because I'm doing that. I'm risking a lot. Yes, I'm over leveraging and everything like that. But it's a smaller account. I don't care. And we're gonna get to the point where we have, let's say, $1,000, right? Like, like on the side. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that $1,000 as bullets. So each account is gonna be $100, and then you have 900 left set up in your wallet. And with that $100 account, all we're gonna do is pull big trades. We're gonna put a standard here, maybe even two standards on the $100 account. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna try to flip that $100 into whatever. Right? All we need is one trade to hit, and then we could take that $100 account into $5,000. I've done it so many times, so many times. We're gonna do that, and guess what? If we fail that $100, we have 900 left. So we put another bullet in. All right, let's try this again. You're gonna tell me that we're gonna lose all of that $1,000? You're crazy. I'll tell you right now, you're crazy. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. And again, all we need is one to hit. That is that bullet that we're gonna be using soon. But I'm really interested about what you're talking about, this lady killer thing, bro. What are you saying? And never. Never. Yeah, you're crazy. You're crazy if you think that we're gonna be losing that. Insane. I don't know who Guarn is, bro. I really don't. I don't know. I don't keep up with like TV shows or anything like that. Like I just have too much going on, bro. So it means go on, English word. Go on, Mr. Lady Killer. Nah. No, she's just a friend, you know. And that's how I'm gonna speak on that. Anyway, we are. What's up? Like, what do y'all want? You have any questions for me? I have about 30 more minutes. If y'all want to chill on here for a little bit. If not, it's all good. Friends. Again, not speaking on that anymore. So Euro JPY. Yeah, let's check it out. Wanda. I think I have too many pairs. Let me take this off. It's another thing with this. You can't put on. We're gonna use the bullets whenever we get to at least 10K. We're gonna pull that 1,000 out, and then that's when we're gonna use the bullets. Till then, we're gonna lock in, get to 10K first. Euro JPY. You're so close to hitting that 1K. How far are you, bro? How far are you? And honestly, like, the reason why we're waiting for that, like, for the bullets, you want to be in that position of power. When you have money set aside, you don't, like, you just care less about what the outcome. Like, yeah, of course, you want the best outcome, yeah. But if it's a bad outcome, you don't care. It's like, it is what it is. That's why I'm trying to get y'all to be at the position of power. You don't care about, you start caring less and less and less about what other people are talking about, like their small talk. How's the weather? I heard it's gonna get cold tomorrow. Da, 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 you know, like, did you hear about this news about this? It's like, you don't, it's like, oh my god, it's like none of that impacts anything. I mean, yeah, maybe it does, but for me, I just don't see it, so I can't relate. I can't relate to anything that anyone's talking about when it comes to like small talk. No, like, hey, how's your day going? It's going great. What else? I don't know what else to talk to you about. Half the time I don't respond to a lot of people because it's just like I don't have anything to talk to you about. Like, I don't want to talk about anything. Honestly, nothing that you talk about makes me want to talk to you. As fucked up as it might sound, but that's just like the reality of it. Just don't have time to talk about nothing. I want to talk about something. Like, you want to talk about money? Let's talk about money. You want to talk about like businesses and uh, investment opportunities? All right, let's talk about that. Let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about something that's gonna level me up. But I don't want to talk about the weather. I don't want to talk about the news or who's dating who, and I don't give a fuck about none of that, bro. I don't care about all the gossip, all the drama. I don't care about none of the new TV show, new Netflix. Let's binge watch this. No, no. Let's not. Let's not. Let's save us. Let's save us. I like this though, honestly. I don't. $200 is crazy. Wait, what? Usually bouncing off fib line. 148, 145. No negativity here. Exactly, bro. Or just like wasting time. I hate that. Like, don't waste my time. Like, I've been through that. So many people are like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Tell me their goals, tell me their dreams, and then they do nothing about it. It's insane. Insane. It's nice out though. Oh god. Well, you go enjoy that weather, brother. You go enjoy that weather. Let's see, daily. Yeah, I would wait. I would wait till price breaks below this trend line, and then I'd look for a sell. But honestly, this looks like a good buy. But at the same time, we're in consolidation. A lot of charts are like this right now. We're just in consolidation, so it's like it price could go either way, and I don't want to be trapped in that. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. The only way that I would really love this is if it breaks below, and then I would sell it. I don't even care that this TP is like so close. Maybe take off half the position here, but I have a feeling that we're gonna just push down. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna keep this here. Just a little. We'll update it next week. We'll update it next week for sure. All right. So what you were talking about, UJ? Yeah. So like I don't really care about the fib on here. Let me see. Nah, we're good, bro. We're good. So I have it. I don't know why it's so different on here. But yeah, we're good. Don't worry about UJ. Again, we already talked about this. Don't worry about nothing. If the trade is bad, guess what? I'm gonna let y'all know. But hey, let's get out of this before it goes bad. And we'll get out before it goes bad. I promise you. I'll know before it does. We'll probably be like, you know what? Let's close out these sells and let's get into some buys. And you'll be like, what? Like, you'll be like, yeah. There's no point of being in this. It's gonna go to the upside. So don't worry. I got your back. The last thing you need to do is be worried about charts. If I'm not worried about charts, there's no way that you should be worried about charts. No way. Unless you're trading on your own. But even then, you shouldn't be worried. Because again, losing is part of the game. And to be naive enough to be like, nah. It doesn't matter if you win. Bro, I've had times where I've had 150 trades in a row winning. 150, 160. I have the proof to show it. It's just like, but you have to know that losing is part of the game. You don't have to win 140 times in a row. You could take a loss here, take a loss here. It's just about minimizing the losses to small amounts and then maximizing your wins. You can't lose then. You can't lose. The win streak on the commitment account is crazy, bro. We haven't even started, brother. I promise you, we haven't even started. So, this is just the beginning. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot because it's small numbers right now, right? We took 200 to 1,000 or whatever. Some of y'all are already at 2,000. Or some of y'all are at 800. I don't know how, but we're all having kind of like different results, but yeah, so losing is part of the game. Just understand that. Don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid. Again, if you're afraid of losing, you're afraid of winning. Make it make sense in your own head. If you're afraid of losing, you are afraid of winning. However, here you have to like absorb that. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but try your best. This is all calculated. Oh look, it wants me to get a 30-day free trial. No. It's all calculated, right? So we don't get into a trade unless we have complete confidence that it's gonna go in our favor. So unless price shows me otherwise, then I'm completely confident. I'm prepared to lose, of course, I'm prepared, but I'm confident in the work that I put in, and I'm just gonna let price do what it does until it shows me otherwise. Price is not showing me that. Price is definitely not showing me that it wants to go to the upside. I have no fear. I don't care. I'll let it come up here again. I'll let it play around here again. And guess what? When that red candle shows up and it comes all the way down here, last laugh. Last laugh. That's it. Like, laughing at the market. Like, you were laughing here. You thought you were going to get me out. Madness. Sorry. Not going to happen. Especially with that buy with UJ. UJ was laughing at me. It's all good though. I'm coming back. And I'm not coming back with revenge, but I'm just coming back with more skill. Oh, okay. The win streak on the commitment account is crazy. Bro, we're like 20 and 1 on the pen, which that one was supposed to be a win. Facts. It was supposed to be a win. And it's all good. It is what it is. It's all good. It was like a $20 loss. I'm cool with that, bro. I'll take a $20 loss 3 times in a row to make 300. It's okay. I don't care. It's fine. But yeah, 6 of y'all on here. Appreciate y'all getting on for sure. Y'all have any other type of question? 4 of y'all now. Well, I lost 2 people just by saying that. Dang it. Shouldn't say that then. Oh man, it's a little stuffy in here. Y'all have any other type of questions for me though? Anything at all? You can go over right now. Yes, we're gonna still stay in UJ or not. Again, we could even we're saying this right now at 7:27 p.m. right, Central Time. We're saying that right now. That price is gonna have a big red candle to the downside. That's what I'm saying. So whenever that happens, I'm gonna clip this, and then I'm gonna be like, who knew though? I don't know. Who would have known? It's weird. Weird. But we'll see. Can you explain? Can you explain what you got in the sell because of the trend line touch? Yeah, we're in a downtrend. So rule number 1 is never go against the trend. So we are in a heavy downtrend. And when you have a downtrend, you have pullback. And when you have pullback, you have opportunity. And when you have opportunity, you pull the trigger. So we're in the phase of pulling the trigger because the opportunity was shown. So that is why we are selling. There's no reason to buy it other than earlier this week. The only reason why we did buy is because there was the possibility of the pullback. What happened? We had the pullback. It just all flows together. But I wouldn't try trading pullbacks if you're not used to, being consistent, because it's just sometimes price could go against you, and if you're not prepared for that, then yeah, it's not going to be good. So I bought on UJ this week, and it was only for the managed accounts. It was for the PAM. It wasn't for us. It wasn't for the commitment group. It was just for the PAM, just so I could build up their account a little bit. Because I'll be honest with you, trading smaller accounts is not fun. It's not fun, and that's why I try to like I'll flip an account and then I'll be like, all right, that's it. Like, but yeah, trading smaller accounts is just not fun. The risk, like, you're too close to zero. You're too close to it. When you have 50K in an account, you can literally just trade, like, throw a standard here, throw a standard there, and just, all right, go about your week. There's no way you're gonna lose 50K. Like, there's no way. I mean, maybe someone makes it away, not me. So, like, I can't do that with the smaller accounts though. You know, I could throw maybe a .01 on an account and not care, but it's a difficult task. But I'm willing to accept that because it just makes me better, right? If I'm able to build up all these accounts simultaneously, and then once we all get to like $2,000, $3,000, then those standards can start coming out, and then I can just let it run and not worry. The only thing that I'm concerned about is that other people are going to be concerned. That sucks. And also, they're able to control the account. So if they don't like the trade that I put, they can close it. Or if they feel like they're $700 in profit and my target is 4,000, they take it, and now we just lost out on $3,000 because they're letting their emotions seep into their trading. So that's the only thing that I'm gonna be concerned about later down the road. But hopefully, I can speak to the individuals and be like, look, let me do what I have to do. Okay, trust me. You already trusted me here. Trust me there. That's what. So. Yeah, the managed account's going, bro. Also because you know why it's going though, right? Like, I just want you to be clear about UJ earlier. Last couple candle pullback. Those ETH trades need to wind those back. You know, I was trying to cover lost ground for sure but we had that TP. God, if I just had it a little bit closer, it would have hit that TP. It would have been back at $600-700. Fuck, man, sucks, but it is what it is. Can't do anything about that. But yeah, if you have a managed account, you should not trade on that account. Period. Like, I don't know. It just is like, I don't know. I don't like, if I were to hire someone to do something for me and then I go in and try to do it myself, why does that make sense? If I hired someone to clean my house and then I'm helping them clean it, don't do that. Don't do that, you know? I'm hiring someone to fix my truck, but I'm also like helping them as well, or think that I'm helping. Like, what? You're already having someone do it. Why go and interfere with that? Doesn't make any sense. So yeah, let that blossom by itself, and then we don't have to worry about getting into larger trades and covering ground that's lost and all that stuff. So just little tips, you know. I promise you, if I order DoorDash, I don't go and meet the DoorDash guy to tell him my name and make sure that he gets the order right. I don't do that. I just wait for it to come. Let the job be done by the people that are doing the job. Otherwise, you're just going against what's right. But anyway, guys, do y'all have any more questions for me? I hope y'all are having a great week. I know it's been a little bit choppy, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I mean, it's up to you, bro. It's up to you if you want to put it back in. It's totally up to you. If you do, though, just know that what I just said, you know, don't have someone do a job for you and then you try to go and do it. job's gonna get done. I promise. A little bit of patience goes a long way. A little bit of belief goes a long way too. It can happen. It can happen. Let it happen though. Don't fight it. 5 of y'all on here. Appreciate y'all getting on. Appreciate the time that you're giving me. Time is the most valuable asset that we could ever obtain. We'll never get it back, ever. So that should scare you to start doing the things that you need to do. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. Not guaranteed, but everyone's talking about see you tomorrow. No one knows if tomorrow's gonna come, bro. No one. You need to take full advantage of what you have right now. You wake up, you need to take full advantage of it. What can I do to make myself better? How can I become better today? That if tomorrow presents itself, I'll be better for tomorrow. A lot of people just going through the motions. So, I implore you to please learn something new every single day. Do what's right. Make yourself the best version that you possibly can become. Make yourself that. It's possible. Anything can happen. Don't think negative. Don't think negative at all. There's no reason to be negative. If you think negative, you attract negative. So think positive, you attract positive. Think wealth, you attract wealth. Everything you think about, you attract. Just let it all come to you, bro. Let it all come to you. Appreciate y'all's time. I will see y'all soon on the next one. Y'all take care.